Hey, how you doing? It's Tom in the Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm once again, or have been continuously, monitoring the Los Angeles Fire and EMS Agency, battling the fires out there in California, using my Redicus TR640 internet radio. And I noticed yesterday and even last night, the amount of traffic communications had really gone down. And I did look on the internet to see what was going on out there, and things had gotten kind of in control, so shall I say. But this morning, about an hour ago, it's 7:55 here in Clearwater, Florida right now, things picked up. And I think, as they predicted, the winds have picked up. So now the fires have picked up again. And the fire and EMS people are busy again. I'm going to let you listen to it for a little while. Of course, when I say that, there's no activity. Oh, God. Oh, man. I am really struggling. Now, this is the way it was about an hour ago, and then all of a sudden it picked up, and the communications kind of indicated they were right on top of things. They would say, there's a fire started so-and-so, and within 15, 20 minutes, it had been squelched. And I guess they're not too busy right this second, because I don't hear anything. I'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll call it quits. I really like this radio. Very easy to use, both an internet radio and an MP3 player. This version, the version for United States, does not have FM. The European, I'll call it, or Asian version, does have FM. Not sure exactly why this one doesn't. Maybe it's something about getting it certified to sell in the United States. I don't know. Not a big deal, because I have tons of other radios I could listen to FM. And of course you can listen to FM via an internet radio station. And they've just all gone to sleep. No, not to sleep, but they're not busy at the second. A few minutes ago, it was like gangbusters. There was solid transmissions back and forth, nonstop. But naturally, when I wanted to show you that, it stopped. Now, what we can do, because this is gone brain dead, is let's go back and look at China radio. I got a suggestion of a station that might be in English, and see if I can find it. Oh, this is my history. That's a nice feature. These are the stations I've listened to, so I can quickly go back to them. So let's go back to country and location, and we want to get Asia. Go down, Asia, and then we want to get China. Still haven't found China radio in English. Found plenty of them in Chinese and other languages, but not English. Okay, and the person suggested Beijing, and he said that there was an AM station. See, that's the one I tried. There's FM. Don't know what that is. That's it.
All companies on the clock.
Oh.
We're going to hold 9s and 10s. About a half hour. Everybody else can pick up. Thank you. Hold on attack.
Okay. So that was Los Angeles. I still had it. See, I still have tuned to that. So that was Los Angeles. So you can still listen while you're searching for other stations. That's nice. I like that. And I really like, let me go back. Okay, I gave up on the China thing. Forget it. I really like this history. So you can go back and see ones that you've listened to. I don't know how many that it stores in the history. I don't know. There he goes. Now he said he was done for the day, so maybe they're changing shifts. Let's see, it's 8 o'clock here. That means it's 5 o'clock in the morning out there at LA.
Communications, Division Victor Training.
Victor Training, Communications.
Yes, good morning. I'd like to order trash backhaul, drop point 69, LA County Fire Station 69.
Okay, that's not that person, but the other person.
Division Victor Training, Communications, copy expression of backhaul trash, LA County Station 69.
That's a different dispatcher than I heard 15 minutes ago. It's just went past the hour, so maybe.
Victor Training, health education.
Maybe it's
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
maybe they're also changing dispatchers right now.
And Victor Training, can you advise what size big size would be needed to pick up the trash?
All right. Well, this is pretty cool. And like I say, this radio is portable. It does have a carrying handle. It's it goes down out of the way if you want it.
Whatever the average size is, it's a...
And it uses either AC or batteries. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.